Okay, this is a very quick tutorial for my friend Tricia who asked me how to combine two images together in Photoshop. It's actually pretty easy. The first step is to open the two images in Photoshop. Wait for it to load. Next, you will create a blank document to whichever size you want. Open one of your previous images and choose the Select tool to highlight the entire image. Copy it by Command and C for Mac or Control+C for PCs. Now paste it into the blank canvas you've just created the same way, only use C instead of V. Repeat that process with your other image. Now you'll want to just highlight them and move them so you can kind of see both images in the same shot. You'll notice when I try to put them right next to each other, it looks like there's a weird overlap of white. To fix that, we need to go to the color range and use the dropper tool to select the white or unwanted color. Just make sure when you drag it, the centers of the image are not affected. You want them to look solid black in the preview. Only one of the images had that problem, and in this example, it's the Idaho picture, so we'll make sure that Idaho layer 2, is the only one selected. Now we will deselect the picture and slowly slide the images together until they match perfectly. When one picture is highlighted, you will be able to easily use your mouse to drag it or your arrow keys for final touch-ups. When it's finally perfect, you're ready to save it. As you're saving it, make sure it has a name that you like. Down at the bottom next to Format, you see it says Photoshop, which would result in a PSD file. That means it won't upload to most sites, but it will allow you to have all the same layers and edits that you've made. What you most likely will want to select is JPEG. It's the most universal and it's a bit smaller file size. Make sure you know where it's saving to and that the quality is always at 12. Congrats, you have now completed your first combination of photos in Photoshop.